There are a few things that are staples in a kitchen for anybody who does any baking. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily make one of those staples very reasonably priced. And it's 100% pure, and a lot of it that will last you an entire year, and you will probably have some extra to gift to people throughout the year. Whether it's for the holidays, like for Christmas gifts or birthdays, or just because. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make vanilla extract. Now, I've done a video already on how I made vanilla extract 4 different ways using 2 different vanilla beans. I did that video last year, and just with my taste buds, the type of vanilla extract that I preferred was the vanilla extract with spiced rum and Madagascar beans. So this is what I happened to purchase. I purchased this last year too. I got this on Amazon. I can link it below. This is grade A gourmet vanilla beans, and it's labeled as USDA organic. I have a 2-quart mason jar that I'm going to be putting all this in. This go around, I'm just going to make one style of vanilla extract because I know what I like. And this is what I used for the whole year. And I was actually surprised, based on the quantities that I made, how much I actually used. This I got at Sam's. This is Sam's brand. It's called Members Mark, and it is a 1.75 liter. I have my kitchen scale here. This is a very handy dandy scale. We use it often whenever we do the various cooking and grilling and when we're making our own spices and so forth. I have it set at the pounds and ounces because I'm just curious to see how many ounces this actually is. So I'm going to put this paper plate on. I'm going to zero that out, and then I'm just going to open this package and place all the beans right on this plate. Oh, that smells good. It appears that it looks like 4.5 ounces. For every ounce of vanilla beans, you need 8 ounces of your alcohol. We're using spiced rum in this case, which per the calculations, I'm not going to look at that ½ ounce of the beans. I'm just going to look at like what I have here. So we'll say 4 ounces of beans to 4 cups or 32 ounces of spiced rum. Now, let me show you the next step. Some of these beans are much thicker than others, but the whole idea and what you want to do with this is you want to make a slice down the bean. So inside that bean, it's called the caviar that is inside here. You can kind of see some of the little pieces of the beans on my finger. The whole goal is we want that caviar. There you go. Can you see all that? You want that caviar to make contact with that rum because that's what's going to flavor the rum that will turn it into vanilla extract. So I am going to continue doing this with all of the beans. So as I slice each one, I am going to just drop it in the jar that I have the spiced rum in. Let me continue doing this until I have all of these beans inside the mason jar. I slit open all of the vanilla beans and kind of opened it up a little bit just to make sure that it was the beans, like the caviar inside, were exposed to the liquid, so all of it can kind of infuse together to get that wonderful flavor that we get for vanilla extract. I just went ahead and put a lid on the top with the ring, just like I do with canning. So what I am going to do is I am going to set this in my cabinet in a cool, dry place. I'm just going to find a place here in my kitchen. And then I just need to set a reminder at least once a week, maybe every other day for a while, just to take it out and like shake it up a little bit. The vanilla extract, I use it for anything that we bake with. I make it in ice cream, homemade ice cream, which I am going to be showing you my new ice cream maker contraption, so to speak. I'll be using some of this homemade vanilla extract in there. I actually have some left over from last year, so I'll probably use that first, because what you have to do is you have to let this set and infuse for the longer the better. If you can do it for 4 months, 8 months, a year would even be better. But that's why it's no time like the present whenever it comes to making vanilla extract. I will be purchasing more of the beans so I can make another batch. Anyway, so it is that easy. It is super, super simple. This whole process probably takes approximately maybe 20 minutes or so to get everything out and start the process. In terms of actually from beginning to end, sitting down and having all your ingredients in front of you, it doesn't really take that long. And for you to have your own homemade vanilla extract at a fraction of the cost of what it would cost to go to the store, which I just looked online, and I want to say a 2-ounce container of vanilla extract that says pure vanilla extract, it could range anywhere from $5 to $18 or more. So by making your own homemade vanilla extract, I'll go ahead and I will break down that pricing and pop it up on the screen. So that's it. It's that simple. If you like this video, be sure you give it a thumbs up. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time.